Hey my loves, it's your girl D's Alter Ego back with another video for you guys. So today's video, we will be creating this look that you see I have on right now. I definitely want to create like just kind of like a smoky green eye because I wanted it to be like smoky, but I also wanted to add some color because it is spring. Even though today is very gloomy, I wanted to just kind of bring some sunshine into my life. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, definitely keep on watching. This will be a talk through video and I hope that you guys can follow along and even try this at home. Let me know in the comments. And if you're already not subscribed to my channel, definitely click that subscribe button and subscribe. I mean, it's free. Come on, like, you want to slay or nah? But without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching.
Okay, so I've already prepped and primed my skin using my basics. I'll leave it in the description box below. Going into color correct, this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange corrector. I like to correct any dark marks, i.e. hyperpigmentation. And then I go in with a beauty sponge. Ladies, if you don't have a beauty sponge, what are you doing? Now I'm going in with another LA Girl concealer in the color Espresso, and I'm going to cover out any orange marks that I already made. I've started to conceal before I put on my foundation, and I like to conceal under my eyes. Anywhere I put those orange, the orange corrector, I like to go over it with a color that is my skin tone. And again, using that beauty sponge, this one is from Real Techniques, to literally pat anything in and just have a smooth canvas. See? Smooth, smooth, smooth. Flawless. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and the Kiss Pro BB Matte foundation. I shake well and I mix the two together on the back of my hands. And then let's get painting. So I use my finger and I literally distribute the foundation all over my face with my finger first, just so that I know that I have enough foundation to cover my big old face. Going in with my kabuki brush, and I just literally am patting the foundation in. I'm not dragging the brush, I am literally beating my face. This is why we call it beating our face. And ladies, do not neglect the neck. You don't want your face one color, your neck one color, and your chest one color. So this, I'm going in again with that sponge. You guys see I go back and forth with the sponge because the sponge literally soaks up any excess oil and also helps to just give you a flawless canvas. Like, honestly, this is the first step into flawless makeup, ladies, and using a sponge, you definitely achieve that. Okay, next I'm using my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This is in the color Cappuccino. So I go under my eyes, around my mouth, and now I'm going in with my concealer brush, and I'm just literally patting it in. Yeah, in circular motions, of course. And this concealer dries so fast, so you have to work like a magician. Under eyes, a flawless. I slept. Going in with the Inflammable concealer from L'Oreal. This is the highlighter shade. It smells good. It has a weird smell. If you guys never tried it, you can try it. But yeah, so I'm literally going in my T-zones to highlight. This is what we call highlighting, ladies. So we highlight under our eyes just to brighten it up. This concealer doesn't dry down as fast, so I was able to also contour at the same time using the Smith & Colt concealer, and this is in the shade 290. Going in with my angled brush, and we are literally contouring this face, honey, because we want to be snatched. This is my Sigma brush. I do have a Sigma code. I'll leave it in the description box below. But yeah, we're just kind of just like blending that out. and then we're mixing it with a concealer and we're just blending those two together just to give us a flawless finish. Circular motions only. Bring it down the nose, and look at those cheekbones, ladies. Literally, I got a facelift. Going back in with my sponge, you know it, to literally just blend everything out. Next, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Deep Powder and the Sacha Buttercup Powder. One, I set my whole face, and the other one, I do a little bit of baking. So going in first with the Laura Mercier, I literally am patting that all over my face, and then now I'm going in with that Sacha Buttercup to contour my face and bake it. So this helps everything stand out even more. And anytime you conceal, you definitely want to set because you don't want that concealer to move, and trust me, it will move. Next, let's go on to the eyes using the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I love this eyeshadow base, but if you don't have an eyeshadow base, you can simply use concealer. But I love this eyeshadow base because it really just does pull those colors out, especially if you're doing a bold eye. Definitely sticks to this this base, and yeah. Going in, I use the Morphe palettes, the 35M and 35V palette. I live by these two palettes, okay? Using a small brush, and I'm gonna work my crease. So I'm going in with like a brown color. It shows up a little darker, but it's a brown color, and I'm working in my crease. I've hold you guys in a little closer so that you can see. I'm just going back and forth in that crease, darkening that crease. So once I do like a little cut crease, it gives it dimension. Going in with a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to just kind of, this is a clean brush, I'm just going to buff it out. No harsh lines, ladies, no harsh lines. So just going back and forth and in a circular motion. Now in the corners, we're just gonna add a little bit of black, and we're just gonna bring that black up just to create that smoky effect on the corners of your eyes. Going in with more black, and I'm just patting this in. I'm not dragging it, just patting it, just so that color shows up beautiful. Moving on to the other side, and we're just going to do the same thing. We're just tapping it into the corner and just bringing it up with another blending brush. This is like a corner brush, and I'm just also going into that crease just so that when you cut that crease, it just looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Going back in with that P. Louise base, and I'm just gonna cut the crease, ladies. So I start from the corners of my eye, and I kind of just draw like a semicircle. I can't explain it. There's easy ways to do a cut crease if you don't know. I'll show you in a future video. But yeah, I just cut both of those creases, and that's it. Going back on top with some black after I cut that crease, just tapping it into the corners. And now I'm using a flat brush, and now we're adding color. This is where that green comes in, and we're just patting that green into that cut crease area that we created, and just dragging it backwards. Yeah, this is beautiful. And I'm just tapping that green in, because sometimes these colors, if you drag them, they won't show up as much, so you just have to tap it in. Going into the other eye, doing the same thing, tapping it in, adding more color. And literally eyeshadow is just like addition, like taking away, adding, taking away, adding, taking away. But I love this so far, look. And then going back on top, again, I'm adding more color on top, and I'm going the opposite way just so that we're blending those two colors together. So we're going up. Now we're gonna take away this powder that's been sitting on my face for like 2 hours, and I'm using my MAC Deep Dark Mineralized powder just to warm up the face again so that I don't look ashy. Going in with the Quick Flick Intense Black liner, and I'm just going to line around my eyes just so when I put my falsies on, everything just looks seamless. And yeah, everything has to look seamless. Now adding some falsies to this look. These are the Shop Dream Lash. I did it off camera. I love these lashes. I'll put them in the description box below. I'm just smoking out the bottom some more with some black shadow just so that I'm setting the look and I don't look like a raccoon when it's all done. Going in with the Benefit Bad Gyal Lash Mascara, I'm just adding some mascara to the bottom and the top. Yeah, and next we're going in with some blush from Becca, the Dahlia blush. I love this blush. And yeah, dark skinned girls do wear blush, ladies and gentlemen. We love blush and we can wear it too. So just adding some blush to those cheeks. Going in with my favorite highlighter from Absolute New York. This is how we highlight again. So we just illuminate the skin, and of course you see that I always use this highlighter and I love it. Gonna add a little bit to the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, even a little on the forehead because I want to see extra. Going in with my NYX pencil, I'm just gonna add it in my tear ducts because I just wanted a little blue color. Like I just wanted to add some color on top of color, so I just used a little bit in the corners. And finally, our lip. This is the Bloodshot lipstick from liquid lipstick from Morphe, and I'm just adding that in. I use the wand as a guide so that I can perfectly line my lips, and yeah, without any liner. And basically we're done. Yes, sweetie, yes. Look at you.
Okay, my love, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys love this video. I hope this talk through was kind of easy for you to follow along with. Sometimes the talk through videos are a little easier to edit and do versus like talking video. Those sometimes take so much time to film. But I'm trying this new technique with like talk over videos. So let me know in the comments if you like these type of videos. Let me know in the comments if you are feeling this look. Definitely follow me on Instagram at @DsAlterEgo_. Don't forget the underscore. And yeah, I'm really going to start just putting up YouTube videos and talking to you guys, and you guys can talk back, because I do love makeup and I definitely love teaching people how to beat their faces and be the best versions of themselves. So yeah, definitely give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends about this video. Tell your friends about my channel. Definitely subscribe. It's like somewhere down there. Just like whoop, click subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Mwah. See you in my next video. Bye.